You are welcome to Suhtronics laboratory. In today's video, we'll be looking at algorithms. Here, as usual, I'm just going to give an overview, then explain two algorithms, maybe using two methods. Then from there, I'm sure we can be able to write our own algorithms. Now, what is an algorithm? It's a step-by-step procedure or a set of sequence use rules to perform a targeted task. So there are many forms of writing an algorithm. You can write an algorithm using natural language. You can use pseudocode or programming language, maybe C, C++ or the rest, or Pascal, and many other approach they do exist for programming. Now these are the approach points to note before writing an algorithm. You have to have full understanding of your system you want to write to. Choose your variable wisely. Simplify the work. Don't mix algorithm like pseudocode and maybe programming language. And then your ideas must be very clear. Now we are going to look at the two simplest way of writing an algorithm. We are going to look at the natural language, as you use plain language to write, and the other method is by the use of pseudocode. Pseudocode is the most used method of writing an algorithm. Okay, let's start with natural language. In order to use natural language, there are also things that we must know. The 10 basic mathematics syntax. First, the addition, the minus, multiplication, division, and equal to. So these ones are the most basic 5, while there are other advanced 5 of them. Now these are the ones that we are being used. Then the 6th is what greater than, mostly used in comparison. Less than, also in comparison if A is less than B. And then this other sign, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Then the other one is not equal to. So languages, there are many ways of writing them. C can be different from the way it is written in Pascal. Okay, let's take a practical example. I write an algorithm to identify the bigger number from two input numbers from a user. As you can see, that's the algorithm of it is written in plain English. You have not seen any equals to or less than or equals to. It is written clearly. It's just the indentation to show that one of the expression is under the other one. You start by receiving your variables, you check, and you output. While this other algorithm is with the use of pseudocode. You see they are using mathematical expressions. This one looks more like a code. Pseudo means like something like, but it's not exactly. So using pseudocodes to write an algorithm, this is an example. We can take a look at this. With this, you will be able to write a good algorithm. Thanks for watching.